What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe back in here with another one. Y'all see what I got in front of me, right? Y'all see what I got in front of me? Y'all see what I got in front of me? That's my baby right there. Oh, shit, that's my baby. Oh, my God, she's home. Yeah, she's back. About 2 months, she was gone. It's all taken apart. This is how I sent it out. You know what I'm saying? I took it apart when I sent it out because I was looking at it myself. And I was like, I was too lazy. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to put the parts back on. I was mad about that. You know what I'm saying? I was mad about my joint be messing up and it's going to be going bye-bye. So I got it back, right? A lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I showed y'all before what we got. We had the upper control arm had to get fixed. Couple other thing, I know they put a ball joint on there. They got a new rim on there. You know what I'm saying? My garage a little dirty. Excuse my garage, guys. Excuse my garage. Garage a little dirty. Because, you know what I'm saying, I got the guy roofers is here. You know what I'm saying? Just a bunch of junk. Paperwork here. We got the paperwork here. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to throw it up real quick. If y'all want to pause the screen and see what it's looking at. You know what I'm saying? So she got that front fender that was like the $60. The ball joint was $30. We're just gonna say the things that was like the double digit or something like that. What's that right there? Suspension arm bushing, $10. Then we got the rim for $364. 26 yellow reflector that's on the fender. That's $26. We got the right upper A arm that was $94. Then we go down to the steering position sensor kit, $189. Upper front cross member, $42. So, you know what I'm saying? And then you go down to here to the big dog. Well, fucking 7 hours of work. 2 months with 7 hours of work, right? Right. But, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Hold up. $100. What the fuck? It is what it is, though. You know what I'm saying? They did quality work. You know what I'm saying? They did what they did. My shit runs straight. You know what I'm saying? My shit goes straight. I already took it for a quick spin around the block. It drives straight. So I'm gonna give a shout out to my dealership. You know what I'm saying? I put this up here to cover my address and shit, but because I don't want y'all to see it. But y'all see him right there. Y'all see him right there. Flamingos. They always hold me down, you know what I'm saying? Flamingos hold me down. And then we got the other page. Hold up. This page right here. Page, they got a couple warranty things they fix. You know what I'm saying? They got that washer, hex screw, and diaphragm. I heard the diaphragm was from the brake cylinder, the brake reservoir diaphragm. Hex screw and washer. I heard that was from somewhere inside the handlebars, but I don't remember where. That's what I heard. I don't remember though, so maybe right there. Yeah, actually, I think it might have been right there. I don't think there was a screw in that hole right there in the middle. I think that screw was missing. But, hey, fix that. All right. So, one thing I was noticed when I went by there, that when they were doing the alignment, what they were doing was to keep the handlebar straight. Right here, there's a thing that comes off the steering, and then right there, there's a threaded screw hole right there. So they put a screw right down there with a little spacer between it so they don't bend that thing, and then they put a screw down in there and they tighten it up. That holds the handlebar straight. So when you're moving this stuff, it doesn't, when you're adjusting the, what are these, control arms? Nope, tire rods. When you're adjusting the tire rods, the handlebars don't move and you don't mess it up. So put a screw in there and you adjust that. So if you ever think about trying to do your alignment yourself, that's how you do it. You're gonna wanna put a screw in there. It's gonna lock your handlebars down and you're gonna adjust them. Like, people know how to do it. You can do the measuring where you measure from one side to the other side, middle of the tire, from on the front side of the tire and the back side of the tire, and you're supposed to have it like the same or something like that, or have a little camber in a little bit. But me, I'd rather just pay them to do it, because my bike can be going left, right. I can't be having all that. But if you're like I was thinking, if you're like parking your bike for the winter and storing it somewhere, maybe like a storage place that's like not at your house, and you're parking your bike, take your front off and you throw a screw inside there, it's going to make the person, if someone tries to steal your bike, it's going to make it a little bit harder for them to get that bike out of there with this front tires not turning. So one thing someone was asking me about before, spark plugs. No one ever talks about the spark plugs in the Riker. And they're right there. Take the glove box out. Not really super accessible. Let's see. This one right here, there's a member right here, thing that goes across right there. The screw that's for that is right under it. You probably can get a little swivel and get that. Probably not really a problem. There, 2, 3. You can get all 3 of those pretty good. Getting a socket on there to get the spark plug out looks pretty accessible to me. But I'm gonna be throwing this thing back together today. Well, I don't know, because I want to paint some stuff white. I got some stuff I want to paint white, but I didn't do it when it was going because I was slacking. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, but she's back. She's back. Yes, she is. All right, guys. Oh, I'm just gonna show a close up on the work they did. So what they do a new fender. They gave me a new fender. New thing here. The rim's nice and shiny new. New ball joint they put on there. This was the same one. Obviously, they didn't change that. I wish they did, because it's getting a little bit rusty. Top control arm. I guess they didn't have to change nothing over there. But yeah, she's ready to ride. Well, not ready to ride, but she's ready to ride. I feel like taking her out right now. The lights work. You know what I'm saying? My lights work. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why should I not take her out? You know what I'm saying? You understand? Like cafe style. I look like a cafe style Riker. Just like, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys. I guess I'll talk to you later.